Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove a card from your PS4 in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your storage, switching games, or just troubleshooting, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Make sure your PS4 is completely turned off and unplugged from the power source. This prevents any accidental data loss or damage to your console. If your PS4 is on, hold down the power button on the front until you hear 2 beeps, then unplug it. Got that? Great. Now, locate the card slot. On most PS4 models, the memory card slot is on the left side of the console when you're facing it. It's usually a small slit covered by a flap. Gently flip open the flap to reveal the slot. If you have an external hard drive or another type of card, double-check your model's manual, but for standard PS4 memory cards, this is where you'll find it. Next, carefully insert your fingernail or a plastic tool into the ejection slot next to the card. Push gently to pop the card out slightly. Once it's loose, grab it by the edges and pull it straight out. Avoid touching the gold contacts on the card to prevent any static damage or dirt buildup. After you've removed the card, inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, you can store it in a safe place or insert it into another device. Remember, always handle your PS4 accessories with care to keep them lasting longer. A few quick tips. Never force the card if it doesn't come out easily. That could break it or the slot. If you're removing a card while the console is in use, you risk corrupting data, so always power down first. And if you're dealing with a newer PS5 or other consoles, the process might differ, so stay tuned for more guides. There you have it, folks. That's how you remove a card from your PS4 in 2025. It's a simple process, but doing it right keeps your setup running smoothly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.